Now let's talk about the role of the temperature in the reaction of the part A and the part B. The temperature has an important role. The temperature gives energy to the molecules to react faster. As you can see here in the picture, we have molecules that are quite stable. They don't have a lot of energy. Then when we inject energy or temperature, we will have that all these molecules are moving with a lot of energy, and the probability that they will react, that they will encounter, is very high. So the reaction occurs faster. So we have that with temperature we have more energy and a faster and also more curing. We have to be cautious with something. More temperature also involves to have less time to apply the paint, because if we use a lot of temperature, the molecules will cure faster, will react faster. So the liquid will become solid in a less amount of time. So we have to be careful, and if we apply temperatures over a very reactive paint, we have to apply it faster and take in consideration the amount of time that we have until it becomes solidified.